Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have an unboxing slash first look video on a bunch of the new summer stuff from Dagne Dover. Alright, I want to start off this video by letting you guys know that not only is this an unboxing video where I'm going to be sharing all the new Dagne Dover stuff, I'm also going to be collaborating with one of my good friends, Jen, over on Poppins Approved. A lot of you guys that follow my channel likely have stumbled upon hers because she does awesome bag reviews. And one thing I love about her channel is there's always new stuff on there. Like, I swear, like, she posts bags that I haven't even heard of. And I'm like, where are you getting this brand or this bag? And they're really cool and they're new. So definitely check her out if you're into Dagne Dover for sure. She has like more Dagne Dover reviews than I do and really good comparisons of the different backpacks and the land and carry-all and things like that. So I will have her channel below, linked to this video, and then just her channel in general so that you guys can head over there and check out all her really fun reviews. So, all right, I'm gonna dive right in. I have 6 different items to share with you from Dagne Dover's summer collection. They just launched this new line about, I want to say maybe like 2 weeks ago or so. And then Jen actually has about the same amount of bags, and I don't think we have any duplicates. Like when I was chatting with her, I couldn't think of anything that she got that I got. We have similar styles, but like different colors and different mix and matches of things. So it's gonna be really cool to see kind of what I unbox and then what she also has, because they're totally different. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start. I'll just grab one. I went ahead and already unboxed my items and took off all the plastic and things like that because I didn't want to be bogged down with that during this unboxing. With all my unboxings, I would love to know below which ones you want to see detailed either comparison videos of or just review, like packing videos in general. Definitely let me know below because I have a bunch of really good stuff here that I want to do a couple more reviews for you guys on. So this here is the gorgeous pomelo color. I believe I'm saying it correctly. It's like a orangey peachy color, and it's the color that I was most excited about when they started posting videos on like Instagram and like launching pictures and things. This is the small Dakota backpack and I'm obsessed with this size. I love it. I have the medium in gray, which I did a review on before, and that size is perfect. It's probably my favorite size out of the small, the medium, and the large, just because I think it's most versatile. This one, I think I'm gonna use a lot, like a ton. I haven't, of course, like packed it up or anything. Like I said, I literally just kind of took the wrapping off of it, but I don't think like a laptop of any size is gonna fit in this size. Probably an iPad you could fit in the back here. I can go over that kind of on a detailed review. Sorry, my kids are outside the door, but I can go through like more of like a detailed review later on this one if it's something you guys want to see. But it is set up exactly the same as the medium backpack. You have some internal zipper pockets here, another one all the way down here at the bottom you can hardly see, and then you have this like electronic sleeve back here in the back. I think this is a great size for just like an everyday bag for myself. Even if I have the kids, I can still throw in a couple of things for them in here. I love how comfortable the Dakota backpack is, and this color, I really, really like it. I really, really like this color, especially for spring and for summer. These straps are crazy comfortable when you're wearing them all day. And then, of course, you have some little like bottle pockets here on the side. Like I said, haven't packed it up, but they seem pretty tight. So I'll be interested to actually see what this size of the Dakota will fit. So that is the small. Now I'm gonna jump right into the mica crossbody. This one I was really interested in because I've never actually seen this style in person before, and I love yellow. I love yellow. I think it's really pretty, especially for like the summer months. And this is the pollen air mesh color, I believe. I think I'll make sure I link everything for you guys. But this here, like I said, is the mica crossbody. It's a cute little crossbody. This material is different than like the neoprene for the Dagne Dover lines. It's like a mesh material, and there's a couple of different layers. It's really hard to capture, but it is almost see-through a little bit. Like it's not, because of the mesh and the way that it's layered, you can't see what's inside of the bag. I know that was like a big question of mine, but like right here in the front, there's 2 mesh layers, so you can almost kind of see my hand through it if you look closely, but It's really good quality and really thick material, and I think it's something different and it's fun. I love it on this crossbody. You have kind of straps here on the side. On the back of the mica, you have a magnetic closure pocket, and then in this front zipper pocket, you have a couple of more little loops and whatnot to put pens or chapsticks, things like that. And then inside the bag, you have a key leash, another little pocket, and a zipper pocket. So ton you can fit inside this. And I think that this particular color is a really cute choice for this crossbody. So there's that one. I'm gonna jump into a smaller piece. This is a new, oh my goodness, I've forgotten what the style name is because it is literally brand spanking new. Let's see if it's on the tag. I'm sure it is. The Mara phone sling. This is a really fun size. Just something to kind of grab and go and like put crossbody over you. I have an iPhone 11 Pro here, and I'll just kind of stick it on the inside and show you guys with my loopy case. It's like a perfect fit. It fits perfectly. I think you would definitely have room if you have a wider phone case because I still have a good little bit right here at the top. It fits great inside. Then you have on the one side, let me take it out so I can show you all. On one side, you have a like slip pocket up here. And then on the other side, you have room for 3 credit cards and a little loop here for like chapstick or whatever you want to put in there. So I think it's a perfect little like just grab and go. You can pack this in other big bags and then just pull this out as you need it. On the back, you also have another little pocket here that has that kind of air mesh, which is fun. And then a little loop here if you want to attach like your keys or whatever there on the side, you have that option. The strap actually can go really long. I have it here in the shortest strap, so you guys can see it can obviously adjust to like way longer than this. So you could just kind of throw it over your shoulder, or you can, like I said, throw it crossbody. So I think this is a fun new addition to their line. Then I also have, okay, this here was one I was really excited about. This is the Hunter toiletry bag, I believe. I'm gonna triple check the name. Yes, the Hunter toiletry bag. This here is the large size, again, because I really liked this yellow. I have this in the gray small Hunter. So I wanted to get the large, so I wanted to be able to kind of compare the two for you guys. I love the small Hunter. I think it's perfect. It's super cute, compact. It can hold everything I need. This large is a really fun size for traveling. Inside, you have a small little mesh like bag, like pouch that has a little Velcro that attaches on the inside of the bag. So you can put like your makeup or whatever you have there. Then with the large, this is something that doesn't come with the small. I'm not sure about the medium. I don't think it comes with the medium either. But you have a long zipper case, which is perfect for like makeup brushes or your toothbrush or any of that kind of thing that's like long and skinny that you don't want it to get lost like inside the bag. You have that to go inside here. Then on the opposite side of where the pouch is at, you have another little pocket and then 3 little loops for lipsticks or chapsticks or mascaras or anything like that that you have that are small and compact. This is a good example here. Well, no, it's just like the other one I showed you. I was thinking this was a little bit more see-through for some reason than the mica, but you really can't see through this particular air mesh. I think it's a really fun material, honestly. So this here is the Hunter. If you want it a little bit bigger, like if you're traveling with a lot or packing a lot, you can unsnap the sides and then it makes the pouch just a little bit like boxier. So this would also be really fun for like on-the-go office or like planner type supplies. You can really pack a lot in here and it would be super fun. So there you go, the large Hunter. Then 2 more left to share with you guys. This here, okay, this one I was really on the fence about, really on the fence. I love the Landon small carry-all size. That's my favorite. I have the medium, small, and the extra small right now. That's as big as I've gotten so far. So I really wanted another small because that's the bag I grab for the most. The extra small is like perfect if it's literally just me and it's like date night or something like that. The medium's great for travel. Honestly, it's a tad bit for like my personal needs. So the small I grab for all the time. But I was so drawn to this lime color and the chain that comes on this extra small that I had to grab it. Am I a fan of the lime? I don't know, to be honest. It is a color that I do not normally buy. I don't normally grab for. The other two are like right up my alley, like a peachy color and yellow, like that is so me. But this lime is a little vibrant for me. Like I can see, you know, with the right outfit, it can be really cute, especially for summertime. Let me know below what you think of the lime. This is a pretty true, depiction of the color in here. There's a lot of natural light. It's a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be. I think I might keep it and I might pack it up and I might see, but this here is the reason that I got it, because I really wanted to see this fun chain in person. I think that it's really cute and it's different and it's so fun for like the hot months and summer, and you know, with like, I don't know, cut off jeans or shorts and like a white tank top and flats, like, I don't know, I think it's really fun. So like I said, the color is a little bit bright for me, but with the right outfit, I think it could look really cute. So with the extra small is the only size, and this is the only color that you get this like metal. It's not really, it's more plastic than metal. It's not metal, it's not heavy, but this is the only bag that you get this particular chain with. If you got like the small or the medium, it doesn't come with the chain. It only comes with the normal crossbody strap that comes with all the land and carry-all. So you do still get this one. That was a question I had. And then of course you get the really fun chain. So I don't know, I'm on the fence. I need to pack it up. I need to like see how it feels when I carry it. I'm interested to know what you guys think, if you're digging it or not really. Like I said, I think it's something different. So that is the extra small Landon. The last bag that I have to share with you guys is one that I definitely want to pack up. I love it. It might be this, I don't know what my favorite is out of what I got out of this batch, but this is the large Dakota backpack in that pollen air mesh, and it's so light, it's so fun. I really like the color and the shade of this yellow. I love it on the large Dakota. I think that it's like a really good color, like on this size bag. This is the first time I've had the large Dakota. I like the Dakota a little more than the Indie backpack. I've done a review on both. I'll link it below, you guys can see them. So I think that the large would be perfect for traveling. Number one, on the back you actually have a sleeve for like suitcases if you're traveling, which is so convenient and awesome. And then you have extra, like so many different pockets, things that the small and the medium Dakota didn't have, like this back kind of laptop sleeve. That's really awesome for things that are slim that you need to carry, especially when traveling. I think the large would make an awesome diaper bag. The medium you could almost pull off as a diaper bag, but I've always been an overpacker, especially the smallest and the youngest that my kids were. I packed way more. So I think that the large might be a better fit. Those of you that are wondering about that. You still have an awesome pocket here with some loops inside. No problem with these side pockets. You could definitely fit all kinds of water bottles in there. And then this bag on the inside, I'll give you guys a look, is set up just like the other ones. So you have like a laptop sleeve, you have more pockets here in the front, and then it comes with a small little, almost like a wet bag or a bag for your shoes for traveling. And then you also have one of the mesh little pouches. So that there, like I said, is the Dakota large. Let me know below. I want to know what you guys want to see more in detail and packed up. I'll give you, just because I have them both here, a quick little side-by-side of the large and the small kind of comparison as to how big they are. The medium obviously is right in the middle. It's probably my favorite size if I had to pick one, but I really like the Dakota. So the sizes are used for like a bunch of different things. So there are those two. So there you have it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Definitely head over to Poppins Approved channel so you can see what she unboxed. Like I said, she has totally different stuff than what I got. So it'll be really cool to see. So I will talk to y'all on my next video.